Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be graphing a quadratic in vertex form. Now when you're graphing a quadratic is usually the name we use to describe an equation where the highest degree is 2, and usually when it's a function, it's a quadratic function. It's a parabola by the picture. It's a parabola. Parabolas, if you go on to higher maths, you'll learn that a parabola could be vertical, horizontal, diagonal, whatever. It's a parabolic curve. Parabola is the picture. This is a quadratic function. And in this particular example, we're in what we call vertex form, transformation form, where you can easily see the shifting left and right, the shifting up or down, any type of reflections, if any are applied, stretches or compressions. So let's get into it. So here in this example, you'll see we have, first and foremost, you have to recognize that it is in fact a quadratic. The way you know it's a quadratic is that second power. So the parent function, which is that like basic cookie cutter, like go to where you started. So the parent is y equals x squared, and it makes a parabola. A good thing to know is you can go out 1, up 1. I get into why this works in other videos. This is not the time nor place to learn that. If you don't know it, I don't know what to tell you. Go back to another video and get the lesson then. Over 1, not trying to be mean, but let's keep it moving. Out 1, up 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's symmetry. It's what we call an even function. Out 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you would continue out 1, up 7. Out 1, up 9. And you keep going up the odds. It has to do with the fact that the perfect squares are separated by odd numbers. It's a little lumpy. Please forgive me. Now this picture plus 2 is going to move us 2 units to the left. Left 2, all right, down, that minus 5 is going to move us down 5. So now we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your vertex. So you have a vertex at -2, 5, ordered pair, separated by a comma, and enclosed in parentheses. Then, if I didn't have the 3 in front, I would apply this very pattern. This 3, however, all right, this 3, so I'll put a little note here. The 3 in front like that, okay, it has to be where it is what we call a vertical. Let's all make sure we spell vertical correctly. Hello. A vertical stretch. So that means your vertical is tripled. Nothing about the horizontal changes. Repeat, nothing about the horizontal changes. Is the pattern up 1, up 2, up 3? No. No one ever said that. Do you go up the same amount every time? No, it wouldn't be a curve. Hello? That would be a V maybe if you did it correctly. That's an absolute value of X, right? So what do you go up by normally? In the odds, okay? The 3 stretches it vertically. So normally when we plot the points, you go out 1, up, ba, 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 ba. So normally it's up 1, up 3, up 5, up 7, da, da, da. But with the vertical stretch of 3 applied, you're going to go up times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3, da, da, da. All right? So hold on to your butts. Let's go. So I'm going to go out 1, up, 3. Out 1, up, 3 times 3, 3, 6, 9. Out 1, up, not going to fit, but 15. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm off the screen, right? So good enough. Nice and easy. Try not to make it pointy. Do not suddenly go wide. You're going to be very narrow. Arrow, because that implies that it goes on indefinitely, forever, ever, ever. If it were a piecewise function, you might have a limited domain, and you could potentially stop drawing the picture. So again, your vertex is at -2, comma. Oh wait, I wrote +5. Why'd you guys let me do that? Down 5. And there we go. So I hope you understand what has to happen there. If there was a negative in front, you would reflect it over its own vertex at this point, and you would draw that same pattern going down. If that was a -2 inside, it would have gone to the right instead. If it was a +5, it would have gone up 5 instead. Hope everyone knows what they're doing. Hope you know what you're talking about. Hope you could do this by yourself. Thumbs up if you feel okay about it. Thumbs down if SOS, crisis. Look for a video that I put in the thumbnail. I'll try to send you in the direction of more help. And I hope you're having a great day. Adios.